Hey, what is up guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a mid skin fade, and we're just going to begin at the top here, cutting about half an inch, pulling everything straight up and cutting it straight across. And each time I'm taking a new section, I'm moving up about half an inch to 1 inch. So when cutting the top here, it's pretty basic guys. All you're doing is just pulling up and cutting straight across. It is gonna need some touching up afterwards, but this is very basic and you don't need to be spending too much time here. After we blow dry and do the sides, we're gonna come back to the top and just touch it up a bit. So at the very front over here, you want to kind of direct the hair slightly more forward instead of bringing it back to your previous guideline. Now when blow drying the hair, you always want to blow dry the hair in the style that they are going to style it in. This way you get a better idea of what it's going to look like, and it'll be easier for you to see once you get started on the sides. So we are starting off with our number 2 guard all the way open. This is going to be the highest length that we are going to fade up to, and generally my rule of thumb when doing skin fades, it will always end with 2 open at the very highest point. So right now we're just gonna go over it again, but now with the 2 guard all the way closed. After we're done that, we're just creating our bald line, kind of about an inch above the ears, generally where I like to create my line for a mid skin fade. And as you guys can see, I'm curving it down towards the back of the head. This way it better fits the head shape. So now we're just gonna remove all the hair that is beneath the line and clear that up.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now with the shaver, we are gonna get the hair as close as possible towards the scalp, and that's gonna be used with our shaver over here, and it's gonna get it right down to the skin. So after that, we're gonna start off here with our guard all the way open, meaning the lever is pulled all the way down, and we're just gonna go up about an inch to create our first guideline. Now we're just moving the lever towards the middle, halfway closed, and we're just gonna go over that line again and slowly blend it out. So after that, we're gonna close the lever all the way and continue to fade out that line. So now we're gonna use our 1.5 guard all the way open. We finished off with our number 2 guard closed, and now the next guard down is our 1.5 guard here, and we're gonna go all the way open, and this is where we begin to start fading down. Kind of like how we used the no guard all the way open to create a guideline to fade down. Now this whole section is basically our guideline, and we're fading down this whole piece. Now after the open, we are moving on to the half guard all the way closed, and usually each guard that moved down, it will start with open. After open, I'll close it all the way. Now we got our number 1 guard, and you probably guessed it, we are all the way open, and we're just pretty much slowly fading this down. So you're pretty much thinking as the clipper, as like a eraser, and we're slowly kind of fading out the line until it blends out nicely. We are with our number 1 guard all the way closed now, and you can see how the fade is starting to come together. Now we got the half guard all the way open, and we're just gonna be doing the exact same thing, slowly working our way down. And with this, guys, fading down, you want to complete all of these steps as quick as you can. It's not, you don't necessarily have to have it perfect at first, because we are going to be detailing the fade after we're done the whole steps.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So after that, we are with our half guard all the way closed, and with this you can really see how the fade is coming in nicely. And I would say with most haircuts, you will have to go back with the no guard all the way open, just to touch up the very bottom, to remove any little dark areas that is still left that the half guard closed does not get. Now we're just doing a bit of scissor over comb with the texturizing shears, just to blend the Prado Witch area, which is the area between the sides and the top. Again, this is what I said about before, using our no guard all the way open just to touch up any little areas that we see. and we might have to close a little bit depending on how the haircut is looking. I don't know if you guys have also noticed, but see how much of the corner of the clipper I've used throughout the whole haircut compared to when I was using the full blade.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll be uploading a lot more videos coming soon, so please subscribe to that and like the video if you found any useful tips and tricks. And thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the very next one.